Welcome to our channel One Step, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem. And in today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can know somebody or like some mysterious person's name on Omegle. And it's pretty simple, so let's get straight into the point. And before I show you the steps on how to do that, if you guys are new to our channel One Step, hit that subscribe to our channel and let's move on. Now, to know somebody random's name, let's say I come on Omegle and I go on text to, talk with somebody random. So I agree to their terms and service, then it's going to match me with someone random. So the way to know the person's name is just you want to write name like this. Once you do that, if they reply to you, you will know their name. If they don't reply to you, you will not know their name. So in this person, he replied his name is Krish. So now we know his name is Krish. So it's simple as that. You just ask for their name. Now most of the time, most people don't give their name. In that case, you can never know. Alright, so yeah, this is the only way you guys can know somebody's name. Since we don't have any account or we can't create any account in Omegle, we cannot know their name anyway. So it's just this. You just have to ask them, and if they answer, you will know. If they don't, you won't know. So that's how we guys can know somebody's name on Omegle. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel One Step. I'll see you guys in my future video with some more Omegle related stuff. Bye bye.